Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a spring clean and decorate with me. I'm going to decorate the house for spring and do some light cleaning along the way as well, so come and join me. Okay, so I'm gonna just clean the surfaces as I decorate, starting with the boys' toy storage here. I'm using the Fabulosa surface duster and a microfiber cloth, and I'm going to just polish the surfaces as I go. I have got all of my spring and Easter decorations out of the attic, but I've got some new ones as well, including these adorable little bunny baskets that I'm going to show you here. These were from Temu. I work with Temu on Instagram, but this video is not working with Temu. However, if you want my discount code, go over to my Instagram and you can see it on there. Those flowers were also from Temu, and so was this artificial moss that I loved because it didn't fall apart. It just stretched like this, and I popped that in the other bunny basket, and I love these. I also got these really cute little wooden eggs that I just popped in the moss just to look lovely and spring-like, like a little chicken had just laid the eggs right there. I've had this cute moss bunny and eggs for a couple of years. They were from Hobbycraft. I don't know if they still sell them, but maybe have a look. Right, moving over to the kitchen shelves now. Again, I'm going to clean the surfaces as I go. So I'm going to take everything off. I'm going to get out my polish and I'm going to give it a wipe. And then it's two jobs done in one. There was a lot of dust on here actually. This was well overdue. But I'm going to pop all of the things back on the shelf. But I'm going to do a little addition, something new just for spring. I have got this adorable strawberry vase from Temu. I love it. I love the fact that it's all fresh and gives me sort of spring vibes. Also, my son is obsessed with fruit, so he loves looking at it and shouting strawberry. Into the living room now, and I'm just going to wipe down this little side table. I'm not even going to attempt to move that lamp because it weighs a ton. I'm just going to polish around the lamp, and then I will add some cute little spring additions to the table. This lovely little jug again was from Temu, and I also got some artificial tulips just to pop inside of the jug as well. And I also got from there this little ceramic bunny. I thought he would look lovely next to the jug. Moving on to my living room shelves. If you know my channel, you'll know I have a million shelves in this room. It takes a while to polish them all, so I only filmed a few. But again, I'm just polishing as I go so that I'm killing two birds with one stone. I'm going to pop everything back on, make sure it's looking nice and neat and organised, and add a little spring addition as well. I've got my three little stone bunnies. These were from Poundland about 5 years ago. I've had them so long and I love them so much still. They come out every year. Again, I'm going to repeat the process on this shelf. And one of my new favourites, I got this adorable little bunny in B&M just a few weeks ago, so he's probably still there. He reminded me of Peter Rabbit, and I thought he was so cute for the boys. So he's going to live there. And on this little shelf here, I've got this ceramic bunny pot that was from Tiger a few years ago, so I don't know if you'd be able to get it today, but I love it. I love keeping things over the years. I literally have a box in the attic for every season, spring, winter, autumn, and I love collecting ornaments and things and getting the same ones out every year with a few little new additions. And these are new, these are from B&M. These little bunny display bunnies, I just popped them on this little book here because they added a little bit of colour to the room. Speaking of colour, I need to add my wreath to the room. I got this from TK Maxx a few years ago and I just love it. Before I do anything in the kitchen, I need to clean it. I'm just going to spritz it with some Dawn Power Foam and spray it all down. It doesn't feel right putting any decorations in here when the sink and the surfaces are absolutely rancid. So I'm going to wipe it all down. I'm also going to get out my sonic scrubber and just work the little corners of the sink because they looked a little bit grimy. Okay, now that that's clean, I can add a little detail to the kitchen. I've got these two little speckled eggs that I got from Primark, I think a couple of years ago. They were like £1 each and they look really expensive and pretty. I love them on the microwave just there. Onto the dining table now. I'm going to get rid of those daffodils because they aren't going to live any longer, I don't think. And I'm going to wipe down the dining table with my favourite Flash bicarb spray. Once the dining table is sparkling and clean, I'll start to decorate it. This stunning placemat was from B&M and that was this year, so you might get lucky and find one. I'm going to pop that in the middle with my cracked eggshell display bowls that are from Pretty Little Home. I get these out every year and I never get sick of them. Aren't they absolutely stunning? I'm going to put a little bit of artificial greenery in the big one. I'm going to put these brown eggs that I got from Amazon, I think, a couple of years ago, in the medium eggshell, and in the little one, I'm going to put some of that lovely green moss that was left over in there. Onto my toddler's market stall now. My toddler is obsessed with fruit and veg. If you don't follow me on Instagram, you might not know. So, of course, I had to get a few little additions for him that I know he will love. I got these amazing little carrots from Temu, these little fabric carrots that look so cute in his market stall, and also these speckled eggs that I've had for a couple of years from B&M. He was so surprised to come home and see these, and then I also popped a little bunny on there, and this basket from B&M I filled with little display eggs. These are old, I can't remember where they're from, but it made his market stall look so sweet. And in my eldest son's room, I put this little egg tree from Temu that he can have as a nightlight for the next few weeks. And also his egg collecting basket ready to do an egg hunt when it gets closer to Easter. And then in my youngest, I thought I'll pop something in his room as well, so that they've got something each. So I just gave his bedside table a very satisfying wipe down. And I got these, I forgot I had these little novelty eggs. They're from Poundland. They're a few years old. I don't know if they still sell them, but he loves them. While I was upstairs and being productive, I thought I'll make all of the beds upstairs so that it looks super clean and tidy. Give the beds a little bit of spray. I love the Sevi Spanish cleaning spray. It smells incredible. And I also just quickly vacuumed the carpets upstairs as well. Not forgetting I needed to pop our wreath on the door. I have an upside down command hook on the door at all times, so it's so quick and easy to hang a wreath. This one was just from Amazon, I think, super cheap from Amazon. Oh, I just wanted to show you my kids' eggs that I hang every year on my olive tree. They paint a couple every year and I hang them up, and it's like a little timeline of Easter's. Really, really special. I love sentimental stuff like this. So cute. I'm gonna finish by having a cup of tea. I don't drink tea. Coffee in my spring mug, which was from B&M, and I love it. I'm going to relax and look at my decorations. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one.